Well, you can see our tent is basically sitting in a hole now. Hopefully it comes out on the screen. Yeah, pretty full on. You can see up the side there. That's the top of my ski poles. This is crazy. Here we are shoveling out our tent. You can see by where Eric's standing or sitting, the snow is right up pretty much to his head, if not just over. This ski pole is where we did have the hole. This is all filled in, and we've just basically just dug out our polkas over here too.
There's a wall back there.
Yeah, there is a wall somewhere here which we'd actually built beforehand. That's where our polkas are. They were completely buried in snow. But otherwise the wind's quietened down quite a lot, which is awesome. It's not real sort of blizzard conditions anymore. It's just, I mean, it's still piling up with snow. This stuff would be terrible to sort of really punch through with the sled. So we're staying put for today, and hopefully it'll be better tomorrow. We can start making some tracks.